everyone, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss any update from IWM Buzz.
Hi Paras, you're live. Welcome to IWM Buzz.
Hello everyone.
How are you?
I'm very well.
So first of all, congratulations on your new show.
Thank you so much.
So tell audience and tell us also about something the new show that you're doing.
New show, it's coming on air from 21st of this month at 7:30 on Star Plus. So do watch it. बाकी मैं आप लोग को बता नहीं सकता हूँ इस वक्त. आप लोग को देखने के बाद समझेगा exactly क्या story है, कितने characters है. But trust me, this project is going to be very interesting. So please do watch it.
Okay. और कैसी रही अब तक की television पे journey? Like how you started, how you came here so far?
Amazing. The journey was amazing. I started in the month of July last year, 2017. So तब से मेरी journey start हुई है मेरी दुर्गा में. This is my debut show. This was my debut show. So जो भी कुछ देखने मिला है life में in this last 10-11 months, this journey was amazing. Trust me. इतने सारे ups and downs आए life में. उसके बाद जब ये मुझे project मिला, उसके बाद I realized कि this is not something जो आप miss कर सकते अपनी life में. Like ये जो सिचुएशन, जो पोजीशन पे आप आ जाते हो एक बार, उसके बाद जो आप फील करते हो, जो आप रियलाइज करते हो कि दिस इज इट, आपने यही ड्रीम किया था एंड आई हैव रीच्ड हियर, सो दिस पोजीशन इज अमेजिंग. सो बहुत कुछ है स्टोरी वैसे देखा जाए तो.
Nice. In one word, if you have to describe your journey, कैसे क्या बोलोगे?
ड्रामेटिक. बहुत अप्स एंड डाउन्स आए.
ओके, आपके बहुत सारे फैंस वेट कर रहे थे ऑलरेडी एंड दे आर लिटिल अपसेट कि आप फिर लेट हो गए.
Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm like 15 minutes late. I'm so sorry. Or second traffic.
Okay, Zabir is asking who's your favorite co-star?
Zabir, co-star. So Srishti Jain.
Okay. Okay, Paras Wings, a fan page of yours, is saying that you're very hot, looking hot today.
Thank you, Muskan. Muskan is handling this page.
Okay.
So, thank you so much.
Okay, so one fan page of yours, being Shati Paras Kalnawat fan.
Okay.
They are asking that आपका character जो दूसरे the show that is coming on Star Plus उसमें कैसा होगा, अलग होने वाला है क्या?
This is going to be different character. जो पहले था SP था उससे तो बहुत अलग है. Trust me. आप लोगों को बहुत सारी varieties देखने मिलेगी. बिल्कुल इससे कुछ भी मैचिंग नहीं, कुछ भी ऐसा सिमिलर नहीं, सब कुछ अलग है. Just watch me on 21st. You get to know.
Okay, Anju is saying that we are missing Meri Durga. Are you missing the show?
Of course, यार मेरी दुर्गा. Of course, I'm missing. Last day जब मैं वहाँ से गया था set से, so I literally cried. मैं सबसे रो के गले मिल के गया था because उस शो से मेरी बहुत memories जुड़ी है. That's the show जिसने मेरी life बनाई, like completely changed my life. So I'll always miss the show.
Okay, Priya is asking what motivates you to become an actor?
What motivates me to become an actor? See, when I was in second standard, I was asked. एक इंटरव्यू हुआ था, मैं एनुअल फंक्शन था, सो इंटरव्यू में मुझे पूछा गया था आपको लाइफ में क्या बनना है. अब पेरेंट्स तो एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि उनका बच्चा बोले इंजीनियर बनना है, डॉक्टर बनना है. वहाँ पे मैं बोल गया था आई वांट टू बिकम एन एक्टर. सो प्रिंसिपल वाज क्वाइट अपसेट, बट उस टाइम से ना मेरा मोटिवेशन एक ही था दैट आई वांट टू बिकम एन एक्टर बिकॉज दैट्स माय ड्रीम. उसके बाद आई स्टार्टेड लाइक गेटिंग इनटू ड्रामास एंड ऑल दैट इवेंट्स जो स्कूल में होते हैं. So the motivation to become an actor, it's like from my childhood, you know, I always want to become an actor.
Okay, Harsha wants to know your birth date.
Birth date is 9th of November 96.
Okay, Ankita is saying you're looking so cute with the specs.
Thank you.
Okay, Saloni. Okay, Saloni is asking what's your dream project?
Dream project. As of now, I want to do TV only for like next 5-6 years. So dream project, I want to work with Shashi Sumit and 4 Lions for sure someday. That's my dream project.
Okay. Okay, so fan page, Meri Durga fan page, which is run by Shruti, she's saying that promise us that you won't like go away from Insta.
Yeah, Shruti, I promise I won't ever go away from Instagram.
Okay,
Never.
some incident happened.
Yeah, I just went away from Instagram for one day. I deactivated my Instagram profile for one day.
Okay.
And I came back.
Okay, Ankita is asking, who's your inspiration in life?
Inspiration. My inspiration. See, when I came to Mumbai, story बहुत अलग है. I came to Mumbai ये सोचे कि चलो I'll become an actor. It's very easy. I'll go and just auditions दूंगा और मैं industry में enter करूँगा. But ऐसा है नहीं कुछ यहाँ पे. So when I came here, I met Terence Lewis. So he is my inspiration. I've seen him working so hard over his physique or everything, overall thing. So Terence Lewis is my inspiration because I met him for the first time. Like एक पहले celebrity जिनसे मैं मिला था, that was Terence Lewis, and he guided me so well. He told me what exactly you have to do in your life. So he's my inspiration, and of course, my dad is my inspiration.
Okay, Rosa wants to know, in this football World Cup, which team do you support?
I don't watch football. I'm so sorry. That's quite offensive.
Okay, Aisha is saying, hey Paras, finally got to see you live. Can't wait to see you in your new show. All the best for the show. And I'm watching you from UK.
Thank you so much. Lots of love from India.
Okay, so fans are asking, do you like their edits and whatever videos they make?
I love each and every one of them. Trust me, मैं जानता हूँ आप लोग बहुत मेहनत से बनाते हो, कई घंटे बैठ के एक पिक्चर एडिट करते हो. I know I value it. And मैं जो भी पिक्चर्स आपकी देखता हूँ, ऐसा मैं कभी नहीं करता हूँ कि पिक्चर देखी और लाइक नहीं किया. अगर मुझे नोटिस में आती है कोई चीज़ तो मैं पक्का उसे लाइक करता हूँ. So I love them all. Thank you so much.
Okay, Krisha is asking, who's your best friend in the industry?
Best friend in the industry. I'm kind of an anti-social, so best friend is Srishti only, Srishti Jain. So.
Okay, who was the prankster on the set?
Knows me, always me.
ऐसा कोई प्रैंक है जो आपने प्ले किया जिसमें?
बहुत सारे ऐसे तो बहुत सारे मैंने प्रैंक प्ले किए जो मेरी मॉम प्ले कर रही थी. उनके ऊपर कुछ मैंने फेक किया, उन्हें छिपकली, शी वाज स्कैर्ड ऑफ लिजर्ड, तो मैंने वीडियो भी बनाई थी उस चीज की. शी गॉट स्कैर्ड, मतलब शी रन अवे फ्रॉम देम. देन सृष्टि को मैंने मेरे नए नंबर से कॉल किया था. आई गॉट अ न्यू नंबर, सो आई कॉल्ड हर एंड आई वाज लाइक, हे बेबी पहचाना क्या? तो शी वाज लाइक, नहीं कौन हो आप? तो आई वाज टॉकिंग इन अ वेरी लाइक in a very weird language.
Okay.
क्या कर रहे हो आप? हमको पता नहीं है का ये वो. तो I was talking in that language. So she got scared. She thought some psychopath is calling her. She got scared. She ran away from there. उसने सब ग्रुप को बताया, पूरे मतलब जितनी भी टीम थी कि कोई कॉल कर रहा है मुझे. So एक एडी ने कॉल उठाया था, तो मैंने वापस रखा और उसके बाद वही आवाज में सृष्टि के पीछे जाके बोला, और क्या चल रहा है? तब she got to know that it's me. ऐसे बहुत सारे pranks किए मैंने.
Okay, so we'll play a fun game with you. It's called Let's Keep It Weird. So these are few weird questions that you have to answer.
Okay.
So first one is, when was the last time you screamed at the top of your lungs?
Last time I screamed, I don't remember. I generally don't scream at all. Never.
Okay. What would your dream bathroom look like?
With a round bathtub and TV in front of me.
Okay. What was the weirdest conversation that you overheard? Maybe on set or maybe somewhere around.
There are so many. I don't know. Like there's no specific one.
Anything that you found like really weird?
We were talking about like I'm very bad with my memory. So I genuinely don't remember. Sorry.
Okay. What would you dislike? What do you dislike but have no good reason for disliking it?
There are few people, you know, you meet them and suddenly you just dislike them. So there's like you never spoke to that person or something like that. I can't name that person. But आप जब पहली बार मिलते हो, you're like कि I just want to stay away from this person. There's like negative vibe from him or her. So just that. People are like that. So that's it.
Okay. What are some things that you've never bought and will never buy?
Drinks, smokes.
What is the ugliest thing you own?
Ugliest thing I own. I don't have anything ugly. Like I'm very choosy about my things, so मैं जो भी कुछ लेता हूँ perfect लेता हूँ, so I don't have any arguments.
Okay, what was the strangest gift that you have received?
A donkey, toy donkey.
Like in childhood?
No, just recently, few days back. And that too, like when you press the button, it used to make a noise, donkey's noise. So I received that. Also named that toy. I named that toy Fully. Is it Fulwa hoti? वैसे Fully.
Crazy.
Yeah.
What's the worst thing a person can do that is illegal? That isn't illegal.
Worst thing a person can do that's not illegal. Anything. You can. Yeah, there are things coming in my mind which is illegal.
Okay.
So I don't know. Sorry.
No problem.
Yeah.
Okay. The other one is, what is the opposite of opposite?
This one is quite kind of tricky. What's opposite of? What's it?
You say what's opposite of opposite?
Similar. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And lastly, have you ever been jealous of your closest friend?
Never. I'm not that kind of person.
Okay. We play a rapid fire also. So you have to be rapid in your answers. Okay.
Cool.
So do you enjoy your celebrity status?
Yes.
If we come to your house and check your wardrobe, what would we find?
More of shoes and jackets.
Okay. How would someone get your special attention?
Special attention. It depends on person's mind.
Okay. Would you date your fan?
Why not?
Name a worst place where you could get stuck.
In the jungle, in the middle of Amazon.
Which TV sitcom family would you love to be a member of? It can be Hollywood also.
Can be Hollywood as well. Friends.
Describe a perfect kiss in 3 words.
Perfect kiss in 3 words. It should be romantic. Someone special and love.
What's your one annoying habit that you want to get rid of?
I'm very emotional. People take advantage of that, so I have to just get rid of it.
Okay, what would be a good theme song for your life?
Theme song.
Yeah.
कुछ माइंड में आ नहीं रहा है अभी ऐसे कोई स्पेसिफिक थीम सॉन्ग never thought of it.
You're fan of which actor? So you can relate to any.
Hrithik.
Okay. So lastly, if your plane is about to crash, who would you want to be sitting beside you?
That's kind of tricky question because I won't. I would like to be there alone. I won't think about anyone else sitting beside me. But it's supposed to crash.
Yes. So Ankur is asking, acting se pehle were you into modeling?
Yes, I was into modeling. I walked Black Fashion Week and all the lead, you can say ramp walks, Manish Mehta and everything.
Okay. Priya is asking, what's your favorite memory from the show, Meri Durga?
It's favorite memory. It's someone I met in the show on the very first day. So that's my favorite memory in the show.
Okay. Zabir is asking, what's the favorite pastime that apart from acting you have?
Writing. I write.
Like poems or anything?
Yes.
So can you like one poem that you can?
I've written many, so I can read it. I have a page. I have a page and people do follow me on that page as well.
Oh.
There's a page named Dreamer, Not a Writer. So. Yeah.
So that's a hidden talent that I am not aware.
I'm not that I'm not a great writer though, but still I love writing whenever I'm free.
Oh, nice. Okay, so Amitwa is asking, which is the best place in Mumbai that
Very
a person
bright.
can visit?
But
Nice.
peaceful.
So your fan pages has requested that can you sing a song for them?
Sing a song. I'm very bad at singing. If I sing right here, you all will go just offline. So please don't try that.
Okay, good. Kodli, a fan of yours, is asking, can you tell us more about your family?
Family. So I used to live in a joint family when I like in the initial days in the beginning. But then हम अलग अलग रहने लगे, and then I was with my mom, dad and sister, elder sister. Now my sister is in Pune, elder sister, और मेरे mom dad अभी भी नागपुर में रहते हैं. So it's just a like very small family, and मेरे जो चाचा चाची है वो भी नागपुर में रहते हैं. I have a cousin brother as well, so इतनी family है.
Nice. Mati, a fan of yours, उसका birthday आज, if you can wish her.
Mati, wish you a very happy birthday. Stay blessed.
Okay, please tell us about your school and college days. Were you naughty in your school?
See, in the beginning I was very बच्चा होता है जिसे बहुत bully किया जाता है.
Okay.
So I was that kind of person, 6th standard तक. But then after 6th, पता नहीं मुझे क्या हुआ, I started taking stand. जो bully करता था, I used to hit that person. I got very violent in those days, I remember, and it's kind of weird. मैं अभी बहुत ज़्यादा शांत हूँ, मतलब मैं बहुत I don't even speak to anyone loudly. गुस्सा भी आता है तो I just try to be very calm and talk politely to anyone. But in those days, school days में and college days में, I used to be very violent. I used to take my bike around and like कोई मेरे दोस्त को तंग करेगा तो उसे मैं जाके धमकाता था. I'm gonna slap you, I'm gonna like hit the shit out of you and all that thing. So it was fun, you know. But to be very honest, school days में I never used to talk to any girls.
Oh.
So I'm that kind of a guy जो 11th standard तक लड़कियों से बहुत दूर है. मैंने अपनी क्लास की जो लड़कियां हैं जो 10th standard तक मेरे मतलब 7 साल हम लोग साथ में एक क्लास में थे. But to be very honest, I never spoke to any one of them. 7 years में मतलब यहाँ बैठती थी लेकिन मैं उनको जानता तक नहीं. They text me these days on Instagram, Paras, you never spoke to us in 7 years. Why? I don't know what was wrong with me. मेरी mom मुझे कुछ बोला करती थी कि बेटा stay away from girls.
Okay.
तुम बिगड़ जाओगे. What was that? I don't know. But फिर 11th standard के बाद I got very normal, so it's fine.
Nice. Okay, Neha wants to know what keeps you motivated.
Success, like lust for success. You have to be very successful in your life, and that's the only thing you live for. Yeah, you know,
True.
without dreams, your life is nothing. So that motivates me.
Okay. Riya is asking, who was your first crush?
First crush. That was back in Nagpur. There was a girl. I won't take her name. So it was in 12th standard, but she was only my crush. Nothing happened between us. Like no relationship, nothing. That's it.
Okay. So Zabir is asking, do you like giving interviews or do you do it as a compulsion?
No. I love giving interviews because the thing is, you guys don't know much about me. And जब मैं interviews देता हूँ, मैं जब live आता हूँ, I try to like interact with all of you. मैं messages पे आप सबको reply नहीं कर पाता, I know that, but आप भी मेरी मजबूरी समझो, मैं सबके messages नहीं पढ़ पाता हूँ. बहुत मतलब कंफ्यूजिंग हो जाता है, दिन में बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आते हैं. बट व्हेन आई कम लाइव और जब मैं इंटरव्यू देता हूँ, आपको मेरे बारे में और जानने मिलता है. सो दैट्स ग्रेट.
Okay, Nishi is asking, are you a morning bird or a night owl?
I used to be a morning bird, but these days I'm a night owl because I'm just keeping myself a little distracted कि मुझे नींद नहीं आती आजकल. So अभी जब शूट नहीं होता है तो मैं रात को 3-4 बजे तक घूमता रहता हूँ. So
Okay. Shuchita is saying that tell Shrishti के बारे में 3 लाइन बोलो या फिर 3 words बोलो.
Sweet, caring, and like talented, very talented.
Okay. If you have to choose between the two, money or love, what would you choose?
Love.
Okay. Are you romantic in real life? Akriti is asking.
Very romantic.
Who's your best friend? Your fan page Paras Karnawat is asking.
My best friend is there are like I'm very selective. I have many friends. Like I've recently made friends, but मेरे life में मेरे school friends कोई भी नहीं है. I don't know any one of them. मैं अपने school से अपने college से किसी के touch में नहीं हूँ. But when I entered Mumbai, तब मेरी एक family बन गई यहाँ पे, and they are more like my brothers. There is Meet Chheda, Sagar Kasar, and Gino Sharma. So these 3 are like part of my family.
Nice. Neha is asking, what kind of role would you like to do in future?
I would love to do a role जिसमें आपको starting से लेके end तक कोई भी अगर show होता है या फिर कोई movie होती है So I want to do a kind of character जिसमें आपको varieties देखने मिलती है. Like starting में अगर आप थोड़े negative हो, grey हो, उसके बाद craziness. I would love to do a role like Khilji, like the one Ranveer Singh did it.
Yeah. Okay, so Krisha is asking to get a chance to work with Shrishti again. Will you do?
Of course, 100%.
Okay, how similar are you from Prince?
Similar. See, Prince was a little bit of egoistic, you know. उसमें थोड़ा ego था कि अब तुम जानते हो मेरे dad कौन है and all that thing. वो थोड़ा सा उसमें. He was a cool guy, दो दिल का बहुत अच्छा था. So that's one similarity. Even I'm very kind-hearted, you can say, because that's the only, I don't know, my like weakness or क्या है मेरा, I don't understand, but एक ये है कि बहुत kind-hearted हूँ मैं, like emotional हूँ. वो Prince भी था and stylish. Prince was very stylish. Even I love to be in like trend, जो भी trend चल रहा है उसमें I love to get involved in all those kind of things. So yeah.
Nice. Varalika is asking what qualities do you like in a girl?
Quality. See, there are only few qualities I would love in a girl. I would want to be with a very simple girl, you know, जिसके ज़्यादा कुछ problems हो, like just a very simple girl. मैं ऐसा specific वो नहीं बता सकता हूँ आपको कि मुझे कैसी लड़की चाहिए. You know, you just meet a person, you just fall for that person. It can be anyone, वो कैसी भी हो सकती है, like Western, Indian or very simple girl. But one word, if I would describe a girl, very simple, sober. So that's it.
Okay. What's your favorite movie?
Ae Dil Hai Mushkil and Aashiqui 2.
Okay. Ria is asking what's the favorite subject in school? What was it?
Maths. I loved maths.
Okay, so Alia is asking that a lot of actors are doing web series. Would you love to do?
As of now, no.
Okay. What marks did you get in your 10th? Ria wants to.
Okay, I got 86% in 10th.
Amazing. You are a biggest fan of?
Biggest fan of? I would say my dad. Biggest fan of my dad. He's a hero. Real life hero.
Nice. Okay, hey Paris, I'm watching you from UK and I want to ask you, are you more closer to your mom or your dad? Aisha.
I'm more closer to my mom. And lots of love from India, Aisha.
Okay, so a fan page of yours is asking your favorite Bollywood character.
Character? Khilji from Padmavat.
Nice. Your favorite food?
Paneer. I'm pure vegetarian.
Okay, Hollywood or Bollywood?
Hollywood.
What's your favorite scene with Shrishti in Meri Durga? Shilpa wants to know.
With Shrishti, if you remember the scene where I get her back to home, जब मैं उसे घर लेकर आता हूँ वापस पार्टी से, जब इंसल्ट हो जाती है उसकी, and then she's talking to me, she's drunk, and उसकी बातें सुन के जब मैं रोने लगता हूँ, that's my favorite scene in the show.
Nice. Okay, your fan page is asking describe love in your words.
Love. Very difficult question. You can't describe love, you know. जो आप सोचते हो love होता है, वो सिर्फ आपका साइड होता है. You never know कि सामने वाले person आपसे क्या expect कर रहा है. Love is that. जो आप, you can love anything. You can love a person. You can love a thing. You can love any materialistic thing. So love is just natural. It's natural.
You like talkative girls or silent girls?
Depends how my mood is.
Romantic scenes or action scenes?
Romantic.
Nice. Okay, finally we'll take a message. Okay, so one fan is saying, Faru, what is the reason behind your beautiful eyes?
I don't know. How would I know that?
Parents ko pucho.
Parents.
Okay, finally we'll take a message for all your fans who are here to chat with you.
Guys, thank you so much for watching me here on this page Indian Wikimedia Buzz. And seriously guys, आप लोगों ने मुझे जो last 10 महीने में दिया है ना, I'm grateful. Like I've seen people, I won't insult them, but still I've seen ups and downs of this industry so well that यहाँ तक मैं जो 10 महीने में पहुँचा हूँ, this is like a dream come true, and it's just because of you guys. Like you loved me, आप लोगों ने मुझे देखा, आप लोगों ने इतना support किया, and just because of you all I'm here. I'm like right here. I'm sitting with all of you, and it's like a very great thing for me. It's all just because of you guys. So thank you so much. शो खत्म हुआ, उसके बाद भी आप लोग ने इतना प्यार दिया कि मुझे कुछ रियलाइज हो ही नहीं रहा, मुझे पता ही नहीं चला कि शो खत्म हो गया. You're still posting pictures from the last show I did. So I'm always going to be there for you all. As you all know that I try to reply every one of you. अगर मैं किसी को मिस कर देता हूँ तो I'm so sorry. Keep messaging me because I'll notice your message one day for sure. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much, Paras, and good luck for your new show. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.